Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of McAfee pop-ups in Windows 10 quickly and easily so you can have a smoother experience on your PC. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. This is important because we'll be adjusting the browser settings to stop notifications. Step 2. Click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the Chrome window. These dots open the main menu where all Chrome settings are available. Step 3. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the main configuration area of your browser. Step 4. Click on Privacy and Security. This section controls what websites can do and helps protect your data. Step 5. Click on Site Settings. Here you can manage permissions for all the websites you visit. Step 6. Click on Recent Activity. This lets you review which sites have recently sent notifications or accessed data. Step 7. Find allowed websites under Notifications. These are the sites currently permitted to send pop-ups. Step 8. Click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. This shows all the information websites have stored on your browser. Step 9. Click on Delete All Data. This removes all permissions and stored data, including unwanted pop-ups. Step 10. Click on Delete to confirm. This final step ensures all changes are applied and stops McAfee pop-ups from appearing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more tech tips.